let's talk about actual, trade execution on ByBit. Well, I use ByBit. Um, the Discord, I think the Discord uses ByBit as well. So if you don't have a ByBit account just yet, well, check the description or somewhere in the comments, and you can, sign up using the link in the description. Okay, so how do we do this? Okay, so let's go to the trading view chart because we can't trade directly on trading view. Okay, so let's say this trade didn't play out yet. So here's what you want to do, right? Copy paste the entry price. Go to Solana here. Make sure to click on Solana here. Price, just copy price 178, right? So for this specific account, I have $50,000. So the rule of thumb is you only risk 1%, which is 500. Okay. So make sure to click on TPSL. Now go back here, click on the stop level. Okay. All right. So at this point, you can see the expected loss, right? So what you want to do here is, since 1% of 50,000 is 500, you have to make sure to make your position size, okay, the amount should be this 54,364. And when your stop loss gets hit, you only lose 526, right? That's how to do it. Okay, then the take profit is 184. There. So the estimated profit is 1,894, and the risk is only 526. Okay, so click on the long, limit buy, and there you go. You'll see it right here below. And then you can just play price, and there you go, right? So simple as that, very easy. Now here's one thing to take note of, okay? Sol USD, it should be using a trading view. You should be using the ByBit chart, okay? So I'll give you an example. Sol USDT spot, right? ByBit, okay? Right here you can see Sol USDT perpetual contract ByBit. So it has to be ByBit, okay? So if you look at Ethereum, ByBit, okay? Bitcoin, ByBit. So it has to be ByBit at all times because, if you choose Binance but you're trading in ByBit, then the values are obviously going to be different, right? So that's something to keep in mind. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope this video gave you clarity, I hope it gave you guys actual foundational knowledge and not just more noise. Now, if it helped you, see trading in a more structured way, right? I gave you my particular system. I gave you exactly what I look at, my criteria, what makes a good trade, what makes not a good trade, right? How to use the confluences all together, right? Then if I gave you that knowledge, if it helped you even 1%, then I'm happy that this video reached you. Now, if you want more than just this free content, right? And you feel like you need actual help from me or any of the traders in Discord, well, we offer, once again, a one-on-one mentorship program where we work with you directly to help you become a more consistently profitable trader. Now, like I've said previously, you do have to apply. Okay, you do have to apply. We don't just take anyone. We try to get the most dedicated and consistent traders. So there will be a wait list. Okay. So if you're serious about trading it with structure and confidence, well, check the link below. We'll look at it and we'll get back to you if we see like you're a fit. Okay? I'll see you in the next.